Here is today's draft to delivery fix, talking about duplication, also known as copy paste. We get this cute picture of this dog, we select him. One of the options we can do is going to edit, copy, and then edit, paste. And we get this one right on top of the other, and we can move that dog out of the way. So that's one way to copy paste or to duplicate. The other shortcut is to click the image and hit Command and C and then Command and V. We can drag the dog to where we need to. The other option is click on the dog, hit Command and D at the same time, and that will duplicate it. And then again, you can move the dog where you need to. The other way to duplicate the same picture is to click on the picture, holding the Option key and dragging it, and it will duplicate it as you drag it into the new position. So that's today's draft to delivery fix, duplication, aka copy paste.